Welcome. MS first semester investment management FIN 689. Capital allocation to risky assets and optimal risky portfolio. Case analysis. Case 4-1. Case 30 marks. Group A. Case situation extended problem analysis question. Investment management. Case analysis. Case 1. Case the 30 marks. The group A. Case situation extended problem analysis questions. The case 4-1. After your graduation in finance, you have been appointed for the post of the portfolio management in Nepal Equity Fund. It manages a risky portfolio that has expected rate of return 18% and standard deviation of the 28%. The fund has the long history of investment management service for their client. The fund is effectively and efficiently managing the portfolio that the compatible for the all risk class investor. Mr. Sharma, one of the regular client of the fund, is willing to form a complete portfolio that consists the risky portfolio managed by your funds. The comparison three risky stock ABC and a treasury bill. The treasury bill is currently 8%. As a fund manager to Mr. Sharma, you have been asked to help her in decision process by answering the following questions. Let's start. Case 4-1. Given ERP equal 18%, standard fee is equal to 28%, risk free rate 8%. A. How do you explain the difference between the risky portfolio or complete portfolio to Mr. Sharma? Explain. Risky portfolio. Risky portfolio is a portfolio that consists of risky stocks, A, B, and C. It is composed of risky assist or portfolio. Complete portfolio. Whereas complete portfolio compose risky portfolio assist and risk free less assess portfolio. Which is also known as optimal overall investor total portfolio. B. If the Mr. Sharma choose to invest the 70% of the portfolio in your fund and the 30% in the treasury bill, what is the expected value and standard deviation of the rate of return on our complete portfolio? Y strict is equal to 70%. Weight proportion y minus strict is equal to 13% equal to 100%, also known as WRF treasury bill. ERC equal RA plus Y stick ERP minus RF. RF is equal to 8%, 0.7, 18% minus 8%, 8% plus 7% is equal to 15%, or ERC is equal to ST ERP plus 1 minus Y RF is equal to 0.7 into 18% plus 0.3 into 8%, 12.6% plus 2.4% equal 15%. C is equal to this standard PA is equal to 0.7 into 28, into 90.6%. Bibliography Asmita publication. SIM. The suppose that your risk portfolio included the three stocks ABC in the proportion 25, 32 and the 43%. The what are the invested proportion of the Mr. Sharma complete portfolio including the position in the treasury bill. SIM. Risky portfolio. WA 25%, WB 32%, WC 43%. Sum is equal to 100%. Out of 70. 30% treasury bill is equal to 100%. Optimal, complete, overall, investor, total portfolio. WA, WB, WC, WA 25%, 32%, 43%, 70%, 70%, 70%. Multiply 17.5%, 22.5%, 30.1%. Total is equal to 70%. Weight of treasury bill is equal to 30%. Is equal total is equal to 100%. WRF is equal to 1 minus y sticks 1 minus 70 is equal to 30%. In figure. Risky, complete, %30 above, 70%, total 100%, A, B, C, A 25%, B 32%, C 43%. Risky 70%, A, B, C. A 25%, B 32%, C 43%. D. What is the slope of the capital allocation line CAL of your portfolio and Mr. Sharma portfolio? Are they are same or different? Why? D. Market or risky portfolio. Yes, V is equal to V R P minus RF divided by standard by P is equal to 0.18 minus 0.08 by standard P is equal to 0.28. 18% minus 8% by 28% equal 0.3571. Slope of CAL up to rhizosyl or MBS store line portfolio. Yes, C is equal to ER C minus RF by standard C 0.15 minus 0.08 divided by 0.196 is equal to 0.3571. Both are same. Same due to risk rate of borrowing is equal to risk rate of lending. Risk premium on risky assets above risk free rate is unchanged. Risk premium associated with risky portfolio is not changed. E. What do you explain the slope of the capital assessment to Mr. Sharma? E. Slope of CAL 2 of rhizosyl is rise by run. It is also known as reward to volatility ratio. F. Draw the capital S allocation line, the CL of your the portfolio on expected return standard deviation diagram. So the position of your client on your bond portfolio on CAL. Return risks 0, RF is equal to 0. S is equal 35.71, RF equal to 8%, ERC is equal to 15, and the standard C is equal to 19.6%, ERP is equal to 18%, the standard P is equal to 28%. This point, investor portfolio, CAL, risk premium above risk free rate, ERP minus RF, 18% minus 8% is equal to 10%. G. The suppose the Nepal equity fund has another client called Mr. Lamsal who wants to invest in your risk portfolio. A proportions wise sticks of how the total investment budget so that the overall portfolio will have the expected rate of return is 20%. Mr. Lamsal, ERC is equal to 20%. I. What is the fundamental investment proportion? Why? Mr. Loms of the complete portfolio called borrowing portfolio or the lending portfolio. Why? ERC is equal to RF plus Y streak ERP minus RF. Point 2 RF 0.08 streak 0.18 minus 0.08 0.08 streaks 0.08 into 0.010 is equal to 0.2 y streak 0.1 y streak therefore 1.2 or 120% or ERC is equal to y streak ERP plus 1 minus y streak RF 0.2 y streak ERP minus 0.18 plus 1 minus y streak 0.08 y streak 0.18 plus 0.08 minus y streak 0.08 0.12 is equal to y streak 1 y is equal to 1.2 or 120%. Is borrowing or leverage portfolio because y stick is greater than 1. Lending on lever portfolio y stick is equal to greater than 0 less than 1. Borrowing or leverage ratio a portfolio of one risky assets and one risk-free assets where the proportion of wealth devoted to risky assets is greater than 1. Lending an unlevered portfolio of portfolio of one risky assets and one risk-free assets where the proportion of well devoted to risky assets is greater than 0 but less than 1. 2. What is the standard deviation of the rate of return on Mr. Lomsal portfolio? Standard fee. YST is a standard fee. 1.2 into 28% is equal to 33.6%. The 3. How do you compare the Mr. Sharma and Mrs. Lomsal is invested on the basis of their degree of risk aversion? Lomsal is risk taker, seeker, lover. Mr. Sharma is risk aver. Risk averse who prefer the risky investment only if that offer risky premium above risk free rate to commensurate the additional risks involved. Risk seeker is who prefer risky investment given the choice of more or less risk investment alternative tips. IV. The suppose that Mr. Slumsal that prefer to invest a risky portfolio of a person, the why that the maximum is expected return on the complete portfolio is subject to the constant that a complete portfolio standard deviation will not exceed 25.2%. What is the investment proportional? What is the expected rate of return is complete portfolio. Given standard complete portfolio is equal to 25.2. Standard deviation is a standard P 0.25.2 is equal to y is equal to 28 for y stick is equal to 0.9 or 90% investment proportional weight ER C is equal to RA plus Y stick ER P minus RF 0.18 minus 0.08 is equal to 0.08 plus 0.09 is equal to 0.17 over 70% or ERC is equal to YST ERP plus 1 minus ST RF 0.9 is equal to 18% plus 0.1 is equal to 8%, 16.2% plus 8% is equal to 17%. Good luck. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share.